In this video, we are going to learn how to sort things. I'm going to show you how to sort things manually and how to sort things using computed sorting. That's predefined sorting method. So let's just look at sales by market. And let's take it a step further and look at it by category. Why not? So now we can see this data right here, and we want to see which market has the most sales in each category. Actually, let's just remove category to begin with. Let's just see which market has the most sales. And if you just click on this sort icon right here, it will allow you to sort your data, and you can visually see which market has the most sales. You could also sort by column name right here, descending or ascending column names. And let's throw in market. Let's throw in category right here. So we can look at which categories are selling the most in each market. Alright. Another way to do sort is to use the sort icon up here. If you click on this, it will sort by as descending. Furniture does well in the APAC market. Office and supplies does really well in the EU market, and technology does really well in the APAC market. So you can sort your data like this, and this is called computed sorting because you are using predefined sorting method. Now if I move this from Canada to Africa, now we are dealing with manual sorting. Basically what I'm doing right here is telling Tableau exactly how I want my data to be sorted. In this second visualization, we are just going to use product name and we are going to use sales for each product, and I'm going to click on this to sort by descending. Now we can see which product sells really well. Now I can move this Nokia to the top, and it doesn't matter what I do, Nokia will always be the top. Like, things will always be sorted in this order because this is manual sorting. Even if I refresh my data, Nokia will still be at the top. But if I go back to computed sorting, whenever I refresh my data source, my view is going to update. So if Samsung sells more than Motorola, Samsung will move on to the top when I refresh my view. But if I do this manually, then even if Samsung outsells Motorola, my view is not going to change because this is manual sorting. This is one way to sort things in Tableau. Another way to sort things in Tableau is to do it manually. So if we go to product name here and let's go to sort, you get options of how to sort your data. So we could sort by nested, alphabetical, field. Let's go with field. We want to sort descending, and we want to sort by, let's use profit. Profit is not anywhere in our view, but we still use profit to sort, and we want to sum by aggregate. And let's add profit to our color. As you can see here, the most profitable items are on top. And let's change this again. And let's do ascending. Now the least profitable items are on top. Descending, the most profitable items are on top. So even if profit is not in the view, you can still use it to sort. And of course, we could sort by sales. And now the items that sell the most are on top. You could sort alphabetically. You could do descending. You could sort manually. And manual sorting basically just tells you which order to put stuff in. So let me put this on top. As you can see, the changes occurring right here. If I take this and put it all the way at the top, as you can see, this has been moved up here. So that's how manual sorting works. And we can choose nested. We want to sort descending by, let's see, subcategory, count distinct. And let's take subcategory here. So now our product is broken down by subcategory. Let's go ahead and clear this. And naturally, if you just bring cells into our view, this is what it looks like. But we could change it so that the most profitable items will always show up on top, so that whenever we bring cells into view, it will always be sorted this way. And to do that, let me go ahead and clear this. And let's go to subcategory here. To set the default sort order, you right click and then you go to default properties and sort. And we want it to be sorted in descending order. Or we could click on this alphabetically or manually. Let's say we want phones on top, followed by machine, and followed by appliances. And then we close this. And now if we bring in cells and subcategory into the view, is sorted exactly the way we want it to be. It's sorted by phones, machines, and appliances. And of course, you could still sort from here. But I just wanted to show you that you could define a default sort method for your dimensions. So that is the basics of how to sort things in Tableau. You could sort using this icon here. You could sort by product name if you wanted to. You could sort by subcategory from A to Z. You could use these icons up here to sort, or you could sort manually by clicking any of this and clicking on sort and then choosing what you want to use to do your sorting. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.